Sam for Sam's Detailing, and today we're talking about 3-in-1 polish. One of my most favourite products because it's so easy to use by hand. If you're using it by hand, make sure you're using a polishing sponge. You can use a wax applicator, but you get the best results from a polishing sponge. If you're using a machine polisher, just use a finishing pad on low speed. So obviously a 3-in-1 polish does 3 steps in one. It cuts, it glazes, and it leaves a little bit of protection behind. So really ideal if you're in a rush or if you have a light colored car. On darker colors, I recommend you use glaze. On lighter colors, I always try and push people towards 3-in-1 polish because it lightens up that paintwork from the cutting action in it. If you're using glaze, that's going to be purely filling the swirl marks. This one is cutting and filling, so very ideal if you're in a rush. Applying it, super easy, onto an applicator, work it into the paintwork, give it a minute and then buff it off immediately. And that's it really. 3-in-1 polish, 3 steps in one, super fast, super easy.